Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about chapter 4, formatting in HTML. So first we'll see what is the meaning for the word format. Format is nothing but it refers to the appearance or presentation of your essay. Okay, so the term format refers to the appearance. How does your text should look like, or how it should be presented to the reader for to create interest on the text or on the essay, and so on. So okay, and in another term it also refers as a layout. So today we'll discuss about this formatting tags which are available in HTML, and you have BR tag, HR tag. So BR is nothing but a line break and it is an empty tag, so we discussed it earlier itself. And the next one is HR tag. The HR tag is a horizontal line, so it is also an empty tag, and this tag is used to introduce a horizontal line break. So in your textbook in page number 34 they have given us, you can underline it, this HR tag automatically introduces a horizontal line break, and it has two attributes. One is size and no shade. The size attribute specifies the thickness of the line. Okay, so the size attribute it specifies the thickness, how much thick it should be, and the size should be enclosed within double quotes. As you can see the example which is given there, HR size is equal to, within double quotes they are given as 5, right? And the no shade attribute, you have another attribute also, it is no shade. So no shade attribute displays the line in dark gray color. You underline that, it displays the line in dark gray color. And then there are some of the basic formatting options, and those basic formatting options are, you can see here, B tag, so it is bold, and I tag, it is for italics, and U tag, it is for underline. So these three tags are very basic tags: bold, italics and underline tags. So here I have typed a small program which is given in your textbook, but here I have made all the lines, all the content as same, but in your textbook it will be a different line. But you just see what are all the tags which I have used and how it is displayed in the web browser. Okay, and then you have a small tag and you have big tag. Okay, so big is different from bold. Okay, and now you see how it is displayed in the web browser. See here, see, so the title which I given here, challenges, and it is displayed here, challenges. Okay, then in bold tag I have given challenges in life, so it is displayed in bold. And HR, which is horizontal rule, and the size is 7. Okay, so here the lines thickness is 7 inches or 7 points. Okay, the thickness. So if I increase the thickness here as 20, and this will become still even more thick, bigger. And then small. So small tag, what is the use of small tag is, the small tag will be displayed as the text as smaller than the default text size. Okay, so see, this is the default text size. Okay, so this is the default text size, So the small tag will be displayed smaller than the default text size, and then big, this is not bold, this is big. Okay, the font size is big, so this is bigger than the default text size. Okay, for example, the default text size is 12, means if I am using big, the size will be 14 or 15 like that, and small will be displayed as less than 12. So that is the difference between big and small tags. And then the next one is italics. So italics is nothing but the font size will be same, but the style will be different, so it looks like somewhat slanting letters. Okay, then last one is underline tag. So U tag, so here the text is as same as your default text, and that your text will be underlined with a line. So these are all the use of the tags: bold, HR, and you should mention it the size with double quotes, small tag. So BR here I have given as 2BR. Okay, so BR is nothing but break. Okay, so if I am giving one BR tag, in between two lines, here I will get only one single space. Okay, single space. So if I am giving 2, I will get 2 enter space, 2 enter space. Okay, if I am giving 3 BR, so this line will be in the third line. So one space, second space, third space, and the text will be printed here, displayed here. Okay, so that is the purpose of BR tag. So how many new lines you want, you can add how many new empty lines you want, you can add that much of BR tags. Okay, so this is the first program, and then the next one is heading tags. Okay, you have 6 levels of headings starting from H1 to H6, and this is the tag which we are going to make use of it. So it starts from H1, and it is a container tag. So H1, close H1, H2, H3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so and now we will see how these headings are displayed. Okay, but you should know that your heading levels are up to H1 to H6. So this is how it will be displayed. See here. So the title, levels of heading is here, levels of heading, and H1 the font will be displayed bigger, H2 smaller than H1, H3 smaller than H2, H4 smaller than H3, H5 smaller than H4, and H6 smaller than H5. Excuse me. Right? So this is how you can make use of your heading tags. Then next one is font tag. So inside font tag, what we are going to do is we are going to change the font style, and then we are going to change the font size, and we are going to change the font color. Okay, so the font tag has 3 attributes, which is font face, that is face, size and color. Okay, and here the spelling for color in computer, it is COLOR, it is not COLOUR. Okay, so make a note of it. So what is the purpose of this font faces? Font face is nothing but you can change the font name. Okay, and the name should be within double quotes, and then size. So size is equal to 4. So here the default font size will be 3. Okay, so normally the default font size will be 3. So you can increase the size how much bigger you want. And then next one is color. So color you can give as any color. So for example, navy, green, gray, lime, maroon, red, purple, like that. So if you want specifically, if you want to mention So you can change the font name, that is font face, font style you can change. You can change the font size, and the default size will be 3, and you can give a specific color for your text. So if you want some of the specific colors, okay, so for example you have in pink color itself you have different shades of pink. Okay, it starts from light pink to dark pink. So in between you will have several tones of color. Okay, so for example white, it starts from white, then gray, then deep gray, then still even more darker, then it goes and reaches to black color. So like that you have different tones for a single color, starting from dark to light. Okay, so for example if you take red, it starts from white, then it goes to pink, then even still darker goes to brown, goes to red, then again darker goes to brown, then still darker it goes to black. Okay, so for any color it has different shades. So if you want a specific shade and you don't know the name, what you should do is you should go to the Google. You just type hexadecimal values of colors. Okay, so hexadecimal value of colors, so you can get the chart like this, and in that chart you can see the shades. Okay, see here I said, right, so if you want the orange, it starts from white and it goes darker, the shade becomes darker, and then it reaches orange color. Okay, so for a specific color, see for example if I want this color, this is not green. Okay, so this is a mixture of blue and green. So you can't you don't know the exact color's name. So for that purpose what you should do is you should take this hexadecimal value. Okay, so hexadecimal value will have 8-bit number. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 6 digit, sorry, it's not 8, it is 6 digit, 6 digit hexadecimal number, combination of numbers and alphabets. So what you should do is you should mark this hexadecimal value, and then instead of writing the color's name here, you should write the color code, that is the hexadecimal value. For example, color is equal to, if I want this color, I should write color is equal to 00D7AF. Okay, right. So now we will see how this program is displayed in the web browser. See here. So here I have used the first line font face, Verdana font. So this is Verdana font. Size is equal to 4. The default size is 3. Now I use 4, and the color is navy. Okay, so the color is displayed. And then the second is font face is Arial. So here I have changed the font style, which is Arial, and the size I have increased here, so it is 22, so it is still even more bigger, and the color is equal to green. Okay, so this is how you can use these attributes within font tag. So once font tag is open, I should close the font tag here, and again I am using the second font, and again I close the font tag, and then close body tag and close HTML tag. Clear, children? Right. Then the next one is paragraph tag. So these paragraph tags are nothing but, even a single line can be a paragraph. Okay, so even a single line can be a paragraph, and in these paragraph there are few alignments. You have 4 types of alignments. One is left, right, center, and justify. Okay, see here, a single line, this is a single line and it can also be a paragraph. So for that I will make use of P. The tag is P. So paragraph, open paragraph tag, and here I close the paragraph tag. Okay, and here you should know one thing, this paragraph, close paragraph tag is optional. Okay, even if you are not using this paragraph tag also, there is no issue. And now what I am doing is, here I am changing the font size as Verdana and size as 10, and color, see here I am using the hexadecimal value. Okay, so for always, for making use of those hexadecimal value, in front you should add this hash symbol. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 4 6, so 6 digit of hexadecimal and preceded by a hash symbol. Okay, so always you should use this hash symbol with the hexadecimal value. And then we are making use of another tags in this program itself, that is this is superscript tag. Okay, so SUP, superscript tag, and SUB is subscript tag, DEL is delete tag, MARK is mark tag, which is used to highlight, and BDO is nothing but, in your textbook the abbreviation is not given, so BDO is bidirectional text override element. Okay, so if you want to have a note of it, you can write in your textbook itself. In page number 39 it is given. So BDO is nothing but bidirectional override element. Okay, so we'll see one by one, so how it is displayed. So paragraph alignment, see here. So the first one is left alignment, the font size is 10, and here I have used BG color. So inside body tag I am using BG color, so which is background color is equal to, within double quotes, yellow. Okay, so the background color is yellow, and the font style is Verdana font style, size is 10, and the font color here it is, I have given as a hexadecimal value, so that value's color is somewhat combination of green. So first line is left aligned, so see here it starts from the left side of the margin. Second one is right aligned, so the text ends towards the right side. Okay, this is left, this is right. Center, see here, left and right margin will be of equal space. Left margin, from left margin your text starts and your text ends before the right margin, so both the sides you will have the same space, so that is center align. Last one is justify. So justify is nothing but it covers both left and right margin. Can you see here, it starts from the left margin, it ends towards the right margin, and in between the spaces will be equalized among the each and every words. Okay, see here, so for this word and this word you will have space, so the same space will be aligned for every words, so that it covers both left as well as right margin. So it touches the left margin and it reaches the right margin. Okay, so this is justified alignment, and all your textbook alignments will be of this justified alignment. Okay, then this one is superscript. So what happens is, you can see these types of things in mathematics. So 2 square, 2 cube, so that text will be somewhat little bit higher or little bit above than the text line. Okay, so for example this 4, so 4 here it is a text line, so it is the bottom of your text. Okay, it will be So now we will see about superscript. So in superscript, what it is the thing which you are using inside superscript will go above the text line. The thing which you are using inside the subscript will go below the text line. Okay, so this is the text line. So 4 is normal, so this is the text line. So when you use this superscript, superscript, this 2 goes above the text line. So subscript, so H is normal, so inside the subscript I am using 2. So it is subscript means it goes below the text line, and then O. Okay, so this is the purpose of superscript and subscript. It will be above, superscript will be above the text line, subscript will be below the text line. And then del. Okay, so del tag is used to display the text with a line across the text. Okay, so what it is I am going to delete the text. So here if I use the delete tag, what happens is the text will have a line across the text. Okay, so here here I should close del tag. I should close del tag. Okay, so here I can have any text. So here even I can have any text, for example apple. Okay, so the text which is enclosed within del tag, what happens is the text will be displayed as apple. But if I use del tag, what happens is a line will be cross the text. That is, it is denoted that the text has been deleted. Okay, it tells that the text has been deleted. Then you have mark tag. So mark tag is nothing but it is used to highlight a text. It is used to highlight a text. So for example, you have see here, here I have mentioned mark, and inside I have text. And BDO, as I said, BDO is nothing but it is bidirectional text override element. Okay, now we will see how it is displayed. See here the first one. I use mark tag, and mark is used to highlight the text. So see here the text is highlighted, and the default color is yellow. Okay, the default color is yellow. And here bidirectional text override, I am writing computer. So see here it is displayed as in the reverse order. Okay, it is displayed in the reverse order. See here I have written computer, but it is displayed in the reverse order. Actually in your textbook it is given like this, BDO, close BDO. If you type like this, it will not be displayed as bidirectional. Okay, so actually here your tag should be BDO space, you should mention the direction. So dir is equal to, within double quotes, here you should mention the direction. That is, your text should be from right to left, RTL. See here computer is COMPUTR. This is left to right. Okay, COMPUTR. This is left to right. Now what I am going to do is I am going to change my direction from right to left. So that is C will come towards the right. See here. So COMPUTER. So right to left. Clear, children? So this is how you should make use of the tag. So in your textbook it is just BDO and close BDO, and if you type like that, your text will be same as left to right computer. That's it. If you want to change, here you should add an attribute dir, and you should mention the direction RTL, so right to left. Okay, so you can change this correction in your textbook. So BDO space dir is equal to, within double quotes, RTL, and then you write computer, and now your output will be displayed as from right to left. Clear? So rest of the things we'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.